Hello students, this is exercise 4.4, problem number 1 and 2. Come to the first question. By the principle of mathematical induction, prove that for n greater than or equal to 1, that is small n belongs to capital N, that is natural number system. We want to show that 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. up to plus n cube is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. This is one of the cubic formula, that is natural number the whole power 3 up to n the whole power 3, just a sum of the first n natural number power 3's. Therefore, let us consider the mathematical induction method. Solution, we want to write the given statement is p of n. So p of n denotes 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. plus n cube equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Now let us consider the first condition, that is base condition, n equal to 1. Therefore here 1. Here n value 1 means it is 1 cube. 1 cube is the first term. Therefore you can't stop with first term. 1 cube answer 1. Come to the right side. It is 1 into 1 plus 1, that is 2. 2 by 2, that is 1. 1 square is also 1. So LHS 1 cube, RHS 1 square, both of them 1. Therefore 1 is equal to 1. Now P of 1 is true. Next, we want to assume P of k is true. I mean P of n be true for n equal to k. That is P of k is true. If P of k is true, what is P of k? 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. up to plus k cube. Answer k into k plus 1 by 2 the whole square. So no need to prove this. It is my assumption. First step we want to show it is equal. Therefore P of 1 true. Second step we want to assume P of k true. So this is one of the result now. 1 cube to k cube. Answer k into k plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Now, we want to show P of k plus 1 is also true. Come to the next. To prove P of k plus 1 is true. What is P of k plus 1? This is actually LHS only. So take the LHS of the given problem. We know that what is P of n. P of n means 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube etc. up to plus k n cube. Here n value k plus 1. Therefore, what is the first n k terms addition value? So first term, second term, third term up to kth term addition value. Already from the assumption using 1, k into k plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Answer for this first k terms. Then last term it is similar. Here also k plus 1 the whole square is there, remaining on k plus 1. Here is it is also k plus 1 the whole square. So k plus 1 the whole square common, remaining k square by 2 square, k square by 4. Then remaining here k plus 1. Then next find the LCM of this to k square by 4 plus k plus 1. Therefore k square plus 4k plus 4 by 2. Then factorize this value. It is like product value 4, sum value 4. Therefore k plus 2 the whole square. This is k plus 2 the whole square. It is k plus 1 the whole square already. So I will consider the square is common. It is like 2 square. Therefore k plus 1 into k plus 2 by 2 the whole square. Now I will compare this to my right side of the given data. I mean the given statement. The given statement is like n into n plus 1 by 2. But now n value k plus 1. Therefore this is n. This is k plus 1 plus 1. That is n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Therefore n value k plus 1 is correct. So P of k plus 1 is true. Should note it, P of 1 is true, P of k is true, P of k plus 1 is true. Therefore, by mathematical induction, P of n is true for all n belongs to natural number system. Hence proved. So the last line is also very important. Second question. By the principle of mathematical induction, prove that for n greater than 1, 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus etc. plus 2n minus 1 the whole square. This is also odd number. Here first odd number, second odd number, third odd number up to 2n minus 1 the whole square. Here some finite numbers are there. We want to show the answer n into 2n minus 1, 2n plus 1 by 3. So now assume that this is my P of n statement. This is my statement P of n. P of n denote this particular statement. Now you want to show the answer for n equal to 1, n equal to k, n equal to k plus 1. Let us prove, put n equal to 1. So here 1. The last n value 1 means it is 2 minus 1, 1 square. So 1 square is my first term. So write first term only here, 1 square. Then right side, here 1, here 1, 1. Therefore it is 3, it is 1, it is 1. 1 into 3, 1 into 3, 1 into 1 into 3. That is numerator 3, denominator also 3. Whole answer is equal to 1. Here 1 square, that is also 1. So 1 square equal to 3 by 3. Therefore both of them equal. P of 1 is true. Student, now we want to note it. We want to assume P of k is also true. P of k means P of n be true for n equal to k. Assume this. Let P of n be true for n equal to k. Therefore, what is P of k? 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus etc. up to 2k minus 1 the whole square equal to k into 2k minus 1, 2k plus 1 by 3. This is my assumption now. Take it, it is for equation number 1. So now we want to show P of k plus 1 is true. Consider the given statement. Apply n equal to k plus 1. So 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus etc. plus 2 into n value k plus 1. Then minus 1 the whole square equal to, here also n value k plus 1. Then it is like 2n minus 1. So 2 into k plus 1 minus 1, that is 2k plus 1. Here 2n plus 1 means 2 into k plus 1 plus 1. Therefore 2k plus 3 by 3. 2k, then 2 into 1, 2, therefore minus 1. So 2k plus 1 the whole square. This is simplification of this. Both of them equal. Now consider this LHS. We want to show this RHS here. So take the LHS 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square etc. up to 2k plus 1 the whole square. This is 2k plus 1. What is the previous term? 2k plus 0, but that is even. 2k plus 0 means even. Come to the previous one, 2k minus 1. Therefore this is add 2k minus 1 the whole square. So I consider the previous term of 2k plus 1, odd number. 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square up to 2k minus 1 the whole square, addition value from equation number 1, k into 2k minus 1, 2k plus 1 by 3. Then write the last term here. Here 2k plus 1, here also 2k plus 1 take common, then remaining 2k plus 1 here, here k into 2k minus 1 by 3. Find the LCM answer, then take the simplification, final value 2k square plus 5k plus 3. Product value 6, sum value 5. So factorize this particular quadratic polynomial. You can write the answer. Therefore the final answer will be 2k minus 1 in 2k plus 1 into 2k square plus 5k plus 3. Therefore this is equal to k plus 1 into 2k plus 3. K plus 1 into 2k plus 3, that is equal to this particular quadratic polynomial. Therefore the last line, k plus 1, 2k plus 1, then 2k plus 3 by 3. Hence we can get the right hand side. So P of k plus 1 is true. So already P of 1 true, P of k is true, that is from the assumption. Now P of k plus 1 is also true. Therefore by the principle of mathematical induction, P of k is true for, P of n is true for all n belongs to capital N. Now question number 10. Prove using mathematical induction x power 2n minus y power 2n is divisible by x plus 1. X and y are integers and x is greater than y. So now come to the answer. Write the given problem in your classwork note. The important statement is x power 2n minus y power 2n is divisible by x plus y. And note that x and y are integers. X is always greater. first condition we want to check P of 1 is equal to. What is P of 1? Consider n equal to 1. Therefore, x power 2 into 1 minus y power 2 into 1, that is equal to x square minus y square is divisible by x plus y. That is we want to show. So it is x square minus y square means we can write it is like a square minus b square formula. Therefore, x plus y into x minus y. Here this is actually multiple of x plus y. Therefore, this is divisible by x plus y. So P of 1 is true since x square minus y square is divisible by x plus y. So step number 1 over. Come to step 2. Step 2 we want to assume P of k is true. So now let us write, assume that P of k is true. What is P of k? X power 2k minus y power 2k is divisible by x plus y. Here n equal to k. So x power 2k minus y power 2k is divisible by x plus y. Divisible by or multiple of x plus y, both of them same meaning. Another way we can write x power 2k minus y power 2k divided by x plus y is equal to some function of in terms of x and y. Here we can do the cross multiplication. Therefore, x power 2k minus y power 2k equal to f of x comma y into x plus y. So note that this is one of the important formula. From this we can identify what is x power 2k. So we can write x power 2k equal to this minus y power 2k in right side plus y power 2k. We can use this formula in the next slide. To show P of k plus 1 is true. That is my third step. X power 2 into n value k plus 1 minus y power 2 into n value k plus 1 is divisible by k plus 1. That is we want to show. Sorry, x plus y. X power 2 into k plus 1 means x power 2k plus 2 minus y power 2k plus 2. Now consider x square. Therefore, x square into x power 2k minus y square into y power 2k, or another way y power 2k plus 2. Therefore, come to the previous slide. X power 2k value, consider this y power 2k in right side. Therefore, x square into y power 2k, then plus function in terms of x comma y into x plus y. This is for x power 2k. Then minus y power 2k plus 2. Now, x square into y power 2k plus f of x comma y into x plus y into x square, then minus y power 2k plus 2 is equal to x square into y power 2k. Now consider the last term y power 2k plus 2, that is my second term now. Then write the function in terms of x comma y into x plus y into x square. Reason, now this term is multiple of x plus y. So consider the first and second term. Here y power 2k is common, remaining x square minus y square. The last term will be same. Student, now we want to use the formula x square minus y square value x plus y into x minus y. Therefore, y power 2k into x square minus y square formula x plus y into x minus y. Then write the last term function in terms of x comma y, then x plus y, then additionally one factor, that is x square. Now the two terms contains x plus y, therefore consider x plus y is common, write the remaining terms. So totally this particular term is a multiple of x plus y because we started with x plus y. Therefore, P of k plus 1 is true. So now we can write from this P of k plus 1 is true, hence proved. By the mathematical induction, it is true for all n.